not working. Okay. Now I will start with the storytelling in Quotient. So the storytelling in Quotient, the goal we want to create the character to talk and to act based on the story. You can create the funny story, uh, the mystery story. Can use the Quotient to create the character, to create the background, to create the sound, and we can add the movement or the character in the story. And our objective today, we learn about the seven key lesson. One, we create the space for the character. Second, we add the backdrop or the background. And the third, we can make the character to talk. And the next, can create the character to move, make some movement in the story. And we can add the sound, and we learn how to start the story. And the last one, we can change the backdrop during the story. Okay. So in Quotient, we need to know what character, what the story that's what character should in our story. So we can create the space. So we can click on the space button at the below the stage. So we can pick the character. And the character, if if you don't have your own character, you can draw your own yourself, or you can upload the image into the column. And now I think we should uh, some challenge to create the dock space and the size 200, and the location should be at the center of the backdrop. So I need one volunteer to challenge this. So anyone can try this one? Anyone? Create a dock space with size 200 and put the dock at the center of the backdrop. Anyone? If not, I will pick one. Okay, teacher, you can create, and I will you can share the screen. Yeah, correct, teacher. Okay. Now I will continue my presentation. Okay, I will share my screen. Okay, the first challenge is easy. I think everyone can do it. And the next one is about the background. The background, we need to know what our story. If our story is at night, we can choose the backdrop at night. And if the background in the forest, we can choose the backdrop at the forest. That suit in our story. And the backdrop, you can check. I already drop the image. So if you want to change the backdrop, you can choose the backdrop based on your story. Okay, this one is easy. And the third one is about coding. So we want to make the character to talk. So we have to use the log block. The log block, we can choose the function where put say for 2 seconds. What text you want to make the character to talk? Like I want to say hello. So you can put hello and how many seconds you want to character to talk, like 2 seconds. After you put that code, say hello for 2 seconds, the character will talk and it will show the speak bubble that you can see in the slide. The cat say hello. Okay, this one is also I think it's easy. And this one we want to make the character to move from left to right. So you can use the motion block. Then you can make like 10 steps and point to direction. Point in direction in 90 degree. It will move from left to the right. And if you want to move to the left, you can use your mouse point to the left on the 90. It should be minus 90. And if you want to move upward, it should be 0 degree. If you want to move downward, it should be 180. Okay. And this one is about the sound. The sound, you can make the story more creative. Like you can choose the sound in the sound block. And sound has a lot of different sound. And you also can upload your own sound if you have the music. So example, when you open the door, you want to hear the sound like ting. Okay, that also have the sound. And any sound you can find in the folder you can choose, and you also can upload your own sound. And for this one is about how you start your story. You can use event block. In event block you can start your story. Has 3 buttons like click the green flag, or you can use the space for to start your story, or you can use when you click on the space, it will start the event. The challenge now, I have the challenge for you. You can create the green flag, and when the character, after we click on the green flag, the character will say hello and move to right 50 steps. So I think I will pick one person. Nakamuli, can you try the challenge? When we click on the green flag, the character will say hello and move to the right 50 steps. You can share your screen. I will stop mine first. Okay. I drop my challenge in the box so you can check. You create the green flag, and after you click the green flag, the character will say hello and move to the right 50 steps. Nakamuli, share screen. Share screen. And unmute.
Teacher, because I my tablet cannot use this.
Okay, now we need to change other people. Noon, can you try?
It is just let me try.
Do you remember the challenge? If not, you can change in the box. I already take.
It is here. I got it. Green flag. Should I just say hello and move? Okay, wait. Let me complete with the last code. Move. So move it to.
Can you share your screen? I want to see your progress.
Okay, teacher. Do you see my screen, teacher?
Yeah. Okay.
So I
No,
think
no,
that
no. I want the character to say, not to speak.
to say,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
teacher.
In the log. Yeah, look.
Okay, so cancel. I think that
Move to the right 50 steps.
so we need to use another tool. Let me find it. Control,
Movement,
no, movement.
movement,
Motion.
motion.
Point in direction.
Yeah, yeah. So can you click on the green flag? Does it move?
No.
No,
Wait
no, no.
for it.
It need to wait 2 seconds.
Okay, again. Yes, it moved.
Yeah, 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 it move. So if you want to move down,
Move down. I just change it to this one,
okay,
but it
okay,
changed
okay.
direction.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I think you understand it. So I will continue my lesson.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. I think this one, if you want to try, you can try your own about how you start the story and you can make the character to say something and to make the movement for the character and the event. I also want to change the backdrop during the story. Like I want to change from the day to night after moving 10 steps, for example. So we can use the switch backdrop. Switch backdrop is inside the log block. So you can use, for example, if you want to change day to night, you can switch the backdrop to night sky. And but if you want to change like this, you need to have two backdrop. Like the first one is the day sky, and the second one should be the night sky. So when you start uh, the story start with the day sky. So after that, after you move the 10 step, you can use the switch backdrop light to night sky. And I will give you some example for the next slide so you will understand. And this one is how you can use weight to control the time, because sometimes we want the character talk to each other, so you need to use the weight to control the conversation. Like the first character to say something and the second character need to wait and can speak something. So wait is like you wait something. So you can use wait for to pause the 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 action. So we can wait like one action, then we can continue other action. For the example, like I say something, then wait 2 seconds, then we can move 10 steps to the right. So you can see my code. I say hello, wait 2 seconds, move 10 steps, move to the right direction. And this one is the short quiz for everyone. So I want everyone to find the correct answer based on each question. So you can chat in the box. One is the correct answer like A or B or C. Second, C, A, B or C. The third, A, B or C or four. So I want everyone to start the quiz. I will show the answer later on. So everyone can drop your answer. Oh, I see. If we want have different answer, so we will see. Now we have four people already drop the answer. Really, no number 9. You put 9. Now we have 5. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I will pick one person to answer. Noon. Not Noon again. Natia, the first question. What is your answer?
C.
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 Okay, that is correct. And the second question, Sophia.
Yes, teacher. I choose A. Letter A.
A.
Yeah.
Okay, that is correct.
Hey,
And
thank you.
yes, you are very good. And the third, Maria.
I think A.
A. No. I will give you the answer later on. Okay. Not A. Okay, you can wait. I will give you the answer later on. And for the fourth question, Hein.
Number 4, the answer is motion.
Motion. Okay, that is correct. Okay. Now I will show you the answer. Yes. For the first one to say something, we use the when we use the block like say the character we show the speed bubble. And for the second question, if we want to make the pet to look like to talk something, we need to use the say block like say hello for 2 seconds. And for the third question, when you start the question already show the answer. If you read the question, it say the block start the project when the green flag is clicked. So the answer should be the green flag when we click. Yeah. And for the fourth, what block will move the space? It should be the motion. The motion we make the character to move. Okay. And for this one, I will clear this one. This one is you want to create the story with one space to say something. For example, like when we click on the green flag, we say hello, welcome to my story for 2 seconds, and we can use the wait 1 second and move up 50 steps and to say let's go on adventure. So the code should be like this. The code should be like this. When we add dot on the green flag, we say something, wait 1 second, move 50 step, point upward, and to say something. That is the example for one space, and you can create your own story. And for the second one, you also can create the two space to talk to each other. Like the first space say something, and after that, the second space say something. So you can use the green flag when you start, and the first one we say something for 2 seconds, and for the second space need to wait like 2 seconds or 3 seconds, because if we talk at the same time, we cannot understand which one talk first. And after the first one say something, the second space can say something like let's go for 2 seconds, and the first space also need to wait. And you can change the backdrop if you want, or to say something, or you can create some motion after the second space say something. That's just the example. So I think if you want to understand more, you can create your own story with two space. We can do more backdrop and create some dialogue to talk something, and you can create sound or create some movement. And I think this that's all for me today. I think anyone have any question? No? So we
Actually,
stop here.
thank me to Chief for your presentation. So everyone will, you may share your feedback about the presentation of Mr. Chief. In the feedback, you should identify 3 key strengths and also offer a suggestion about the potential area of improvement. You can write it in the chat. Mr. Chief, can you upload the slide somewhere and share the link here in the chat?
I will upload my slide in the chat.
So because we lack of time, we only have 1 hour. So for quick, we will move to the next presentation. And after all, I will make a report and share back to you the point of view of everyone and me. So the next presentation is Nguyen Hoa. But Mr. Kim Ria do you want to change Nguyen Hoa?
I will try first, but I don't have any slide. I forgot to do it. Can I share and presentation? Okay. I do a presentation, but I don't have any
You
slide.
can. Yeah, you
Okay.
can. You can. However, you should focus in some specific technique so everyone can understand.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. As you can see, now I'm in the Scratch website. Yeah, and we need to learn code. By the way, I think you all know why we are learning code already. So I need to remind you a bit about the code. So we need to learn code from scratch. Scratch, it means, yeah, from the scratch, from the start. And we can use the code to create a game that we would like to play or to have that game. Okay, so I will focus on the specific on how to control Scratch. This is sprite one. Yeah, this is my character, my cat. So I can control and I can upload another sprite, which is Apple. Yeah. So if I would like to create a game, which is cat near to run to Apple, like that. So first, I need to understand all the block that control a cat to move to the apple. Yeah. So as you can see in the motion, we have move 10 steps. When I click on it, uh, the apple will move because I put the code in on the sprite apple. Yeah, apple will move. But I don't want to move the apple, so I will click on sprite one, which is cat, and I put a move 10 step. When I point it up, oh, as you can see, it move up. Yeah, which is wrong and based on the direction. If you want to move it on the right, you can put it in the 19 degree. Yeah, it will go to the right. And when you want to control it more easily, I recommend to use even. And then you need to control this block when space key press. And you can use any arrow. What about up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow? Yeah, when I use the right arrow, I can press the right arrow on my desktop and it can move to the right. Yeah. So when I have a right arrow already, I can put it into 4 arrow to make it easier to understand. Yeah. When I use for this one is right. For this one, I will put it onto the left arrow.
However, when I click the left arrow, it's still going right because of I put the move 10 step. So I need to put it in a negative way. I mean, it need to move backward. Yes, like that. Okay. So we can change direction left and right only. What about up and down? Yeah, we can put the arrow up and down in here too. And then we can use move 10 step too. And this one minus 10 step. But we still can control it to go to the airport because when I use the up arrow, it's still going right because of the direction. So I need to control the direction too. This one point is direction. Up arrow is point into the up, which is through the gray. Down, yeah, I need to put point in direction, which is 180. Yeah. So this one, okay, like that. Oh, yeah, I still miscalculate about point direction, so I will use all of it in this one. Yeah, as everyone can see, now we can have a fully function. Oh, not a fully function that I expect at all. Maybe because of, oh, okay, I understand. If I use minus 10 step, I should do it like this. Yeah. And then this one is for up, this one is for down. Yeah, so I can control to go to the part that I want. Yeah, I think my presentation end here. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, anyone here, when you hear your partner presentation, please give your feedback. We have a short, really short, 1 minute to give your feedback on the presentation. 3 key strength and 1 improvement that you see. So you can write it on the chat so the partner can see. So I may stop 1 minute for that section. At the end of this session, you may give your email in the chat also, so I will prepare a report and share you the helpful resources for your future presentation. Yeah. So 3 key strengths for Mr. Kim Rizia and 1 improvement that you see, or add a student you see. And in that time, Nunhon, can you have you prepare and ready to present?
Yes, teachers, I be prepare my short lesson for today.
Okay, so please share your screen.
Okay, teacher, let me start. Good morning, everyone. today I would like to talk about how to move character in CodeKitten. So I use the basic code. So everyone, do you see my screen and hearing my voice? Okay, everyone, you can say yes or just
Yes.
yes, raise your hand. So the objectives today is I have 3 points that set sprite size, yes, and add music. And the last one is move up, move down, right, and left understand teacher area. So in CodeKitten, you can use yes, you can use any character or sprite that you can search or yes, upload by your own. So now you can see the sprite of rectals has the big size or as normal. So the first one you can change, you can set the size. Yes, like my slide. Yes, the first one is set sprite size. So if you want to make it smaller or bigger, you can go to even and then you can choose the when click yes, and then you can use the block to set the size. So now let's see in the CodeKitten. So this is our sprite. So you can go to event to make the process. Then you just choose when green flag click, and then you go to this one. Yes, you can find looks. So the look block has a lot of yes block here. So you can find the set size to yes 100. So it is the normal size. If you want to make it smaller, you can put it down by number like 50% or 70%. It's up to you. So this one, when it click, it become to that size. So you can move it to the position that you want. And then we can move to the next point that if you want to add music when our project start, you can go to sound, yes, and then you select the play sound until done, yes, and to find the sound block, you can find this icon, yes, on the code, and then you go to sound and select the loop again. Okay, so let's see in the CodeKitten again. So you can see that this is our code. So you can choose sound and then you just select or drop here sound, and then this one is no yes, we don't have any sound like that. So you can go to sound on the top or the left. So you can see that we don't have any sound. So you can choose here. Yes, choose this one, and you can use as a loop. Yes, which one that you love, you like to. Yeah, I choose this one, hip hop. So we come back again, we can see this have hip hop. So we just click and then it will play, and yes, we have the sound. So let's move to the next point. Yes. Number 3, we want to the character or sprite move left, up and down. All right, it up to us that we want. So you can use even block and then use when space press, yes, and select. You can use a keyboard to move up, down, left, or right. So we use this block. So you see that you can see that when arrow, yes, up arrow press, we want just in direction 0, 90, like that. So we can set the step that we want character move faster or slow, and we can change the custom. Yeah, you can change the custom of the sprite. So let's try together. So now I see that my character is here. So I want it 100. Yes, like that. Okay, to make it bigger, and then we can go to the event. Yes, when space, but we change to the up arrow because we want to move up. And then you can see the code. You can point in direction. Yes, you can use the motion. Yes, and then find the point in direction. Yes, and then you can select this one. Okay, to 0 degree, and then you just move 5 or 10 steps like that. Yes, yes. We just start and then we press. Yeah, so we just press arrow key. The sprite will move to up. Okay, and then if we want to make it walk or just change custom, we just go to look and then switch. Yes, you can look at this and then you can switch custom. Yes, and this one we have only one. Sorry, so we can use another custom that many sprite that has a lot of custom. You can use it, but this one I can sell it. Okay, so now if you want to make it move to the right or to the left side, so I just duplicate it and then I need to change. So this is up arrow and change to down, and then the direction is yes, change to this one. Yes, 180. Yes, so if you just press on the up arrow, we will move to yes downward. Okay, so if you want to make it to the right or left, you can duplicate it also. So you just change the right arrow and then you just change the direction to 90 degree. Yes, for right. Yes, just press on the right arrow, so it will move to the right. And the last one is to the left. Yeah, so you can change the direction to minus 90 degree. Yes, so you can use left arrow to move it to the left. So our lesson is that's all for today. I just want you to know about the basic of move and set sprite size and add music during our project. So that's all for my presentation, teacher.
Yes, thank you, Hong, for your presentation. So we will have 1 minute for everyone here to give him feedback for the key strengths and also one suggestion for improve. Just write out in the chat. So the next one is Jin. So have you prepared Jin? Jin Sophia?
Yeah, teacher, I prepare it already, but I cannot share my screen because I use the iPad and cannot copy the PowerPoint to the team.
So I will move you to the next time, Jin. Yeah, Sophia. I will move you to the next time. So
Yeah, teacher, but I have done with the homework and prepare slide already.
oh, okay. You can say it on the chat. You can say it on the chat.
So local subpaint, you can start.
So we move to fully. Have you prepared fully?
Yes, teacher. Teacher, wait, and I share my screen.
Yeah. You can say your screen.
Wait. Everyone, do you see my PowerPoint? Do you see my slide?
Yeah, teacher. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and before I'm going to about a CodeKitten, I want to ask you, do you know what is a CodeKitten? You don't know? Yes, you can see the logo is really cute. And this is a CodeKitten is a platform. It is an online platform that can teach coding through game and story. And one more thing is it uses block-based coding, make it easy for beginners like all of you. So really not difficult at all. And the last one is you can create animation, game, and interactive story. Yes. And here you can see if you want to explore with this, you can go to website https here. So you can create your own account and create your own story or game. And this is when you have your own account, you will see that in this we have a code. It has a platform and sound that you can create movement, or you can create sound. You can make it talk. Yeah, let it talk and go to direction as you want. And if you want to let's see, as you want to create story or animation, you can go to this place. Yes, so it will have many kind of character. Yes, if you like dog or if you like fish and anything, yes, here. And moreover, if you want to have a background behind the character, yes, in here it also have many many backdrop, or we can call it a stage. Yes, and you can also upload more from your own. You can painting, or you download from uh, uh, Google something else. Yes, there are many that you can create by your own. But in CodeKitten, it has many, yes, that you can explore. And about and this is in order to make it clear. I have a project move the cat. So if you want to move a cat, we have to go to block event and make when a green click. So if you want to move the cat 10 steps, you can put 10. Yes, and if you want to go 50, you put 50 steps. And if you want to say hello, you can go to say hello, or I miss you for 10 a second, or anything else that you want. Yes. Everyone, it's not really difficult, right? It's not really difficult, right? Yes, it's really fun. It's not difficult at all. And in order to make clear that you can understand this, I have one tab that you can draw yourself and make a character that can move and say something in the forest, and can make it change a color, and the last you can play a sound until it's done. So anyone can you create this and can share your slide. Make a character that can move and say something in the forest. The second, can you make it change color and make a sound until it's done. If you finish, you can tell me back. you can explore more than this because it has motion, it has look, it has sound, it has control, sense, sensing. Yes, you can explore more than I give you. I also has finished my own projects too, but I want to share it after.
Okay, I can make the project. Now I already create based on your question. Move 10 step to the right, say something, change color, and play sound. Is it correct, teacher?
Yes, yes, it really correct. And how about another person, student? Okay, if you're not yet finished, I can share my own project. Yes, this is like that. So I can create a sound. Say hello. I'm so tired today. Are you tired? Yes, that's all, teacher.
Teacher, I cannot hear you.
So thank you, Muli. So everyone have 1 minute to give me your feedback, and you may also you may also share me your email so I can send you the resource that will improve your future presentation. You can share in the chat. So after this session, I will go through the video, give the feedback, make some resources that give you an outline to change. So today we not learn anything, any new content, just old content, but you present it yourself. So everyone might see the benefit of using slide or without slide, or the way that you present on your on the coding platform with good side and bad side. I think everyone can see a little bit. So you may based on that to change your to repair better on the next on your next presentation.
Teacher, for the next session, what do we learn?
Actually, I will in the report, in the feedback that I give you in the email, I will clearly define the exam. No, the the exercise. Yeah, the exercise for the next week I will declare in the email.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for the grade 7, how many sessions that we need to continue, or we already finished?
We are in 7 sessions, so
Yeah.
we only have five more sessions.
Need 5 more sessions. And we will study in the grade 7, or we move up to grade 8, or what the next project?
Actually, we just focus in grade 7, and we focus in how to effective how to say we focus in the knowledge in grade 7 and how we introduce the knowledge to the student effectively. So in the five next section, next 5 sessions, we I'm trying to give you the tool and the idea of start the lesson and how to prepare the slide and how to align that with with your student. Anyone here that teach the drill lesson, coding lesson for your student? Have you? So no. Okay. So I think you may wait for my response in the email. It's better. It's more clear. So it's on the lesson today. I will send the email in the afternoon. So may check. You may check for that. Okay. So please. Maybe a little bit. So before we finish, you may fill in the attendance form, please. Okay, anyone done the attendance form can leave. Okay, goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.